Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to take backup by using Management Studio instead of SQL command. Let's see that. Okay, in which database do you want to take backup? That just click the right task, go inside the task, and you can see that there is the option backup. Let's open see. Just right click on that database. Suppose I want to take the backup of Action Pro database, then I will click here the right click. I will click here right, go in the tasks, and here you can see the backup. I will click here. You can see that there is the last attempted path when I was creating backup. I will remove this. Okay, I will click here add. You have to pass here the path. Where do you want to create a backup? I want to create backup inside D drive slash temp slash inside study folder slash what will be the backup data, what will be the name of the file. Then I will put action pro backup, sorry backup not, I will give the date 230 1132, and I will provide the dot back. This is the extension of backup file. I will click the OK. You can see that here one path has been added, and I will click the OK button. Herein you can see the progress executing. This is 100%. The backup of database Action Pro completed successfully. I have got the message. I will click the OK. Let's see. Here you can see that Action Pro 2022 1132 by the name it has been created. I will go here and I will right click on the Action Pro and I will go on the delete and I will delete it. And now you can see it. I will refresh it. You can see that there is no any database with name of Action Pro. I will go, then that's why I will right click on the databases. Here is the database. I will click here on the top. Okay, on the top on the databases I will click here and I will click on the restore database. I will select the device because this is the inside of D drive, and I will click here and I will click on the add button, and here you have to give the path. Okay, suppose my device available inside the temp study. Okay, here you can see there is a two file. I will select second one. I will click OK. This is the path. Okay, you can see that its status is the ready, and this is the backup option, and it's going to restore with name of Action Pro. Okay, I will click the OK button. This is the progress bar, and database Action Pro restored successfully, and you can see that there is the Action Pro database has been restored successfully. I will go in the here and I will click here. You can see that select from banners. Yeah, you can see that the data is available. Yeah, in this video I have explained that how to create backup and restore by using Management Studio. Thank you for this video.